Getting a better night's sleep is often about sleep hygiene, the set of habits and environmental factors that signal to your brain it's time to power down. 1. Optimize your environment. Your bedroom should be a cave, cool, dark, and quiet. The temperature rule: aim for about 18 degrees Celsius, 65 degrees Fahrenheit. A drop in core body temperature is a biological trigger for sleep. Black out everything. Use blackout curtains or an eye mask. Even tiny LEDs from chargers can disrupt your circadian rhythm. White noise. If you live in a noisy area, use a fan or a white noise machine to drown out sudden sounds that might startle you awake. 2. Master your wind down hour. The 60 minutes before bed are the most critical. The digital sunset. Switch off screens, phones, tablets, laptops, at least 1 hour before bed. If you must use them, turn on the warm light/night shift filter. Physical transitions: take a warm bath or shower. The rise and subsequent fall in body temperature after you get out mimics the natural cooling your body needs to sleep. Brain dump: if your mind is racing, spend 5 minutes writing down everything you need to do tomorrow. This offloads the mental burden. 3. Daytime habits for nighttime success. What you do at 10 a.m. affects how you feel at 10 p.m. Sunlight exposure: try to get at least 15 minutes of natural sunlight shortly after waking up. This sets your internal timer for melatonin production later that night. The caffeine cutoff: caffeine has a half-life of about 5 to 6 hours. If you drink a cup at 4 p.m., half of it is still in your system at 10 p.m. Try to stop by 2 p.m. Move your body. Regular exercise helps you fall asleep faster, but avoid intense workouts within 3 hours of bedtime, as the adrenaline can keep you wired.